Hi everyone. In this video, we will be talking about the presets section. This section manages the script's settings, allowing you to save, load, and reset presets, among other functions that we'll cover now. If you are working on a pattern and want to save the settings for later use, simply choose Save Preset, type in a name for it, and click Save. Later, when you're working on a new pattern, you can easily load your saved settings. To do this, choose Load Preset, select the one you want from the list, and press Load. The settings will be applied instantly. The third option resets the settings. When you select it, a confirmation message will appear. Clicking Yes will restore all settings to the script's original defaults. If you want to save your current settings as the new default, choose Save Preset and check the As Default option. From then on, the script will always open with these settings. However, I highly recommend that before you do this, you first save the original default settings as a regular preset. This way, you can easily go back to them anytime you want. Next, we have the Kick from Object option. This allows you to copy the settings from any existing object in your scene. For example, if I select this object, the settings will instantly update to match it. You can do this easily with any object present. The button on the right opens the folder where your user presets are saved. This allows you to manually delete or copy your preset files. The other button opens the gallery of built-in presets. From here, you can browse and choose any of the included presets. Simply select one and click Load Preset to apply it. Now, let's look at the Borders and Backplate checkboxes. By default, when you load a preset, it applies all settings, including those for the borders and backplate. If you uncheck Borders, the script will ignore the border settings from the preset you are loading. This is very useful when you have a specific border and only want to change the pattern inside it. For example, I can uncheck the Borders option, pick a new pattern, and it will load that pattern within the existing border without overwriting my border settings. The same logic applies to the backplate. If I have a backplate with a specific depth, I can uncheck the backplate option. When I then load a new preset, it will apply all settings except for the backplate, preserving my current one. The final option is Safe Loading. This feature is designed to prevent performance issues like slowness or lagging in 3ds Max, especially when working with large areas. For example, if I have a large surface and a pattern with a very small size, Safe Loading will automatically scale up the pattern's dimensions when creating it. This prevents the script from generating an excessive number of elements at once. You can then gradually decrease the size manually if you need a smaller scale. You can disable this option, but a warning message will appear. Disabling Safe Loading can cause performance problems, especially when using the size mode on large areas, because this mode relies on fixed dimensions rather than a specific count of items. That covers everything for the presets section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.